friends, welcome back to the brand new video series of tutorials. As I said in my previous video, I'll start making videos with my own voice, and this is the first video. I hope you will like it. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can create glowing text effect in Adobe Photoshop. Before starting the video, please make sure to hit the bell icon and press the subscribe button because you will never find the videos like me on any other YouTube channel. So let's start the video. Take the text tool and select your font. Choose the font which will suit on your design. I like this font, so I'm going with this one. First of all, take a new layer and change the text color. I'm going with yellow. Then press Ctrl and click on the text icon to make a selection around the text. Click on the new layer, select the gradient tool and change the color to little bit yellowish and drag from the top of the text like I'm doing here. Now rasterize the gradient layer and apply the mask. If you are a beginner, just follow the steps with me. Now select the rasterized layer, go to Filter, Blur and Gaussian Blur. Keep the blur radius between 1 to 2 depending on your text. Change the blending mode to screen and duplicate the layer by pressing Ctrl+J. Then again go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur and repeat the process. But this time change the radius to 5. Now duplicate the layer again and repeat the process. Set the radius to 30. Again repeat the process and set the radius to 60. Again duplicate the layer and keep the radius between 100 to 150. Press Ctrl and click on the text icon to make a selection around the text again. Take gradient tool, set the foreground color to white and drag from the top of the text to make it even more glow. Now duplicate the layer and repeat the process like we did before. Select all glowing effect layers and make a group of them by pressing Ctrl+G. Now take a new layer, then again press Ctrl and click on the text icon to make a selection around the text. Now take a gradient tool, change the foreground color to dark yellow or orange and simply drag from the bottom of the text. Rasterize the layer and apply the mask. Change the blending mode to linear burn for now. Now repeat the Gaussian blur process again. Now adjust the color blending mode as your text. And our glowing text effect is ready now. If you find this tutorial helpful, then please hit the bell icon and press the subscribe button. We are so close to 1000 subscribers. And yeah, that's it for today. Thank you for watching video till the end. See you in the next video.